Hey there guys, today we're back with the birthday baking because I had another one of my birthday parties this weekend and this is one of the very traditional German cakes I made. You want to start out with a little bit of flour in a bowl. You want to add your cocoa powder, baking powder, and then mix that together. Then you want to add 1 egg and your sugar. And then you want to go ahead and add the butter in flakes. Now you want to start kneading the dough. Now this took forever and was actually really hard work, but it's worth it. This is what it should look like in the end. Then you want to put it in the fridge for an hour. Meanwhile, we can go ahead and work on the cheesecake part. You want to take 5 eggs. And your sugar. And your vanilla sugar. And then you want to mix. Now whisk these eggs for a minute or two until it's a very nice fluffy texture. Like that. Then you want to add the curd. And mix that in. And there's more curd. And more mixing. Then you want to add your custard powder. This will add some very nice vanilla flavor as well. And mix that in as well. And this is starting to look very delicious. So last step now, you want to add the melted butter while mixing. Now you can take your cherries and you want to make sure that they're as dry as possible and mix them in carefully with a spoon. Now you want to get your dough out of the fridge and you want to spread it in your baking tin. Now this again was not fun at all, but you know, you'll manage. And you want this to be a very thin layer and you only want to use 2/3 right now. You want to pull up a little bit of the edges there. Then you want to fill in your custard curd mixture and distribute it evenly, and then you want to take the last third of the dough and you want to sprinkle it on top, just like that. And now it's ready to bake with 180 degrees Celsius for 50 to 60 minutes. And I think this is such a delicious cake, very nice classic. I highly recommend you try it if you've never heard of it. Good luck and enjoy!